Welcome to Review Rumble. The best gold chain strap is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your handbag collection, instantly elevating any purse from ordinary to extraordinary with its luxurious gleam and sophisticated design, making it a must-have for fashion-forward individuals seeking to personalize their look and add a touch of opulence to their everyday carry. Number 5. 4 pieces iron replacement flat chains for bags. Introducing our set of 4 iron replacement flat chains, perfect for any bag. These versatile straps come in 4 different sizes to suit all your needs. Crafted from electroplated iron, these chains are built to last. They are durable, sturdy, and resistant to fading or rust, ensuring long-term use. Featuring a convenient snap hook design, attaching these straps is a breeze. Simply click them on for a secure and reliable fit. Designed for comfort, these 0.3-inch wide straps help reduce shoulder pressure. The thoughtful design also prevents hair from getting jammed. This package includes 4 bag chains in lengths of 15.4, 23.6, 31.4, and 47.2 inches. You'll have the perfect length for any bag style. Transform your handbags, clutches, purses, and shoulder bags with these stylish and functional chain straps. They are perfect for DIY projects and updating your accessories. What we like? This set offers 4 different lengths, ensuring a perfect fit for any bag. Its durable, electroplated iron construction means it will last. If you need versatility for various bag sizes and styles, this is the ideal choice. What people say? The chain is a good weight and feels substantial, not cheap. It's a perfect length to wear as a crossbody or on the shoulder. The clasps are sturdy and easy to attach to my purse. Number 4. Luxiv Gold Purse Chain Replacement. Introducing a versatile and stylish replacement chain for your favorite handbags. Elevate your look with this premium accessory. Crafted from high-quality metal with advanced polish technology, this chain is built to last. It's anti-corrosion, durable, and resistant to fading. Measuring 47 inches, it's the ideal length for a shoulder or crossbody style. The secure lobster clasps ensure it fits most handbags with ease. Available in 3 stunning finishes, silver, gold, and black, you can select the perfect color to complement your bag and personal style. With its humanized design and removable buckles, it's incredibly easy to attach. Transform your wallet, clutch, or bag into a chic crossbody in seconds. Looking for a special gift for a female friend or family member? This fashionable chain is a luxurious and practical present they'll adore. To keep it looking its best, simply wipe it with a soft cloth when needed. Enjoy its lasting brilliance for years to come. What we like? This replacement chain is made from high-quality metal with advanced polish technology for superior durability. If you're looking for a long chain that resists corrosion and comes in multiple colors to match your style, this is the one for you. What people say? It took my older purse and made it look better than when I bought the purse. It looks expensive. The quality of chain you receive for the price is amazing. Highly recommend as it doesn't look cheap at all and it's a thick sturdy metal. It has a good weight to it and has a nice gold finish. I use this as a purse strap for one of my designer bags and it looks like it belongs with it. Number 3. HAIOPS Gold Iron Purse Chain. Elevate your handbag with this shiny and durable metal chain. It's perfect for replacing your old strap or adding a personal touch to your DIY crafts. Experience a modern style with this golden purse chain. Its sleek design offers a fresh look and a different feel compared to your original accessory. Crafted with multi-layer electroplating, this polished flat chain boasts a smooth and glossy surface. It feels great to the touch and looks stunning. Measuring 47.2 inches long, this strap is ideal for extension or replacement. You can also use it to create unique crafts by adding your own fashionable elements. This removable chain strap is a versatile accessory. It's suitable for a variety of bags, including crossbody bags, handbags, shoulder bags, clutches, and purses. Please note that there might be a slight color difference due to lighting and display variations. We aim to represent the product as accurately as possible. What we like? Featuring a polished flat chain with multi-layer electroplating, this strap offers a smooth and glossy finish. If you desire a modern, shiny look in a 47-inch length for your DIY projects, this is a great option to elevate your bag's appearance. What people say. The strap is a perfect length and width for my crossbody bag. It feels very sturdy and well made, and the gold hardware is a nice touch. It instantly elevated the look of my old purse, making it look brand new. Number 2. Purse chain strap replacement. Tired of your old bag strap? Give your favorite handbag a fresh new look with this stylish replacement chain. This 47.2-inch chain strap is perfect for converting your purse into a chic crossbody bag. It adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Made with durable materials, this strap is designed to last. It's the ideal solution for replacing worn-out or outdated handbag straps. Simply attach it to your existing bag for an instant style upgrade. It's a quick and easy way to refresh your accessory collection. At 47.2 inches, it provides the perfect length for comfortable wear. Enjoy the convenience and style of a crossbody bag. This option also features a leather accent for added comfort and a premium feel. It's a versatile choice for various handbag styles. What we like. This strap combines the comfort of leather with the style of a chain for a unique look. If you prioritize comfort and a stylish blend of materials for your crossbody bag, this 47.2-inch option is a fantastic choice. What people say. Love how easy it is to adjust the length. The length is great for crossbody or over the shoulder. Seems well made. It was heavy, easy to put on and made my purse look extra nice. Number 1. NEOREAL 53 DIY Iron Chain Strap. Introducing the NEOREAL 53 DIY Iron Chain Strap, the perfect accessory for your custom bag creations. Elevate your DIY projects with this versatile and stylish strap. This strap is designed for ultimate versatility. Wear it as a long crossbody strap or double it up for a chic shoulder bag look. It's easily removable and adaptable to your style. Finding your ideal length is simple. Just push the button on the metal buckle to effortlessly adjust the strap to your preferred fit. Crafted to be comfortable, this strap is surprisingly lightweight, even lighter than your phone. You'll barely notice it's there, ensuring comfort throughout your day. Made from high-quality microfiber leather, this strap is smooth, shiny, and built to last. It resists fading, rust, and breakage, ensuring a sturdy and comfortable addition to your bag. Embrace vintage luxury with its classic gold color. This strap adds a touch of elegance to any handbag, clutch, or crossbody, making it a must-have accessory. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This adjustable strap is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fantastic addition to any purse-making enthusiast's collection. What we like. This strap is made from soft microfiber leather, offering a comfortable and lightweight feel. If you value adjustability and a luxurious, comfortable wearing experience for your crossbody or shoulder bag, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The strap is adjustable and can be worn as a crossbody or shoulder bag. The gold chain is sturdy and does not tarnish easily. It's a great way to upgrade your old purse and give it a new look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.